Hi everyone, I'm your fitness coach Sudhi. Our immune system is the defense mechanism against harmful virus and bacteria in the environment. A regular physical exercise and a healthy diet can strengthen our immune system. In this video, let us understand a simple yoga routine that can boost our immunity. Please watch this video till the end as we uncover some secrets that positively influence the working of our immune system. Make sure you practice few rounds of Surya Namaskara before you begin the yoga routine. Let us begin with a standing pose called Virabhadrasana. Lie down on your abdomen. Bring your palms close to your chest. Now inhale, extend your elbow and look up. Exhale, push your buttocks high, get into downward dog. Now inhale, turn your left foot to 45 degrees, simultaneously bringing the right foot forward. Extend the arms to the sides. Notice that my right knee is bent. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Let us do it for the other side. This is your Virabhadrasana pose. Let us do a seated spinal twists. Let us first sit in Vajrasana. Bend your right knee. Shift your weight to the right side. Now bend the left knee. Join both the feet and sit on your heels. Place your palms on the mat. Inhale. With an exhale, take your left arm inside, twist the spine. Hold this pose for a minimum of 5 deep breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Here we are twisting the spine and bringing a fresh supply of blood to the spinal column. Now inhale, get back to the normal position. Exhale, do it for the other side. Again, hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Our spine is one of the important skeletal structure in the body and it requires a regular exercise, and this is one of the way to train it. The third pose is a forward bending pose called Paschimottanasana. You may need a folded towel to perform this pose. Keep the towel on the midfoot and pull it towards your body. Inhale, keep your back straight. Exhale slowly and bend forward as much as you can. If you have a good flexibility, you can bend deeper, touch your forehead to the knee. Hold the pose for 5 deep breaths. To come out of the pose, inhale, come up, exhale and relax. We will move on to our fourth pose called Upavishta Konasana. Keep your legs extended. Now slowly spread your legs, toes pointing towards you. You may use a pillow or a folded blanket as a prop to support your forward bend. Now inhale deeply, exhale slowly and bend forward. Hold your big toe. Stay in this pose for a minimum of 5 deep breaths. Now slowly inhale and come up. Exhale and relax. The fifth pose is Supta Baddha Konasana. From a lying position, bend both the knees. Keep your heels close to your buttocks. Now rotate your hip by turning the legs to the sides. Join your feet. Place your hands on the thigh and keep pressing it downward. Hold this pose for a minimum of 5 deep breaths. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Keep your breathing smooth and normal. This is your Supta Baddha Konasana. The main agent of your immune system is your blood. We need to circulate the blood in all directions of the body, and hence poses like this are very beneficial. The sixth pose is a yoga inversion called Matsyasana. From the lying position, bend your elbows. Using the strength of your shoulder and arms, lift your chest up. Inhale and place the crown of the head on the mat. Breathe in and breathe out slowly for 5 times. Notice that my back is arched. To come out of the pose, exhale and slowly lower the head. This is your Matsyasana. Let us focus on some breathing exercises, starting with Bhastrika Pranayama. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Close your eyes. Place your right hand on your chest, left hand on your abdomen. Inhale deeply. Feel your chest rising. Exhale slowly and feel your abdomen shrinking. Breathe in and breathe out mindfully for a few times. We need to keep our back straight throughout the breathing exercise. Bhastrika Pranayama is a beautiful breathing exercise to expel the toxins out of the body. So let us begin doing it. Take a short breath. Raise your arms. Exhale vigorously, bring it down. Exhale, bring it down. Perform 30 such counts to complete one set of Bhastrika Pranayama. Focus mainly on exhalation because inhalation happens automatically. Relax for a minute or two to bring your breathing to the normal rate. Perform one more round. Now we will learn how to do Ujjaya Pranayama. Sit in Sukhasana. Keep your eyes closed. Adopt Jnana Mudra, the tip of the index finger touching the tip of the thumb. Place it on your thigh. Lower your head and keep your chin in between the collarbones. The technique behind Ujjaya Pranayama is very simple. You inhale deeply through the nose. Feel your chest rising. Pause for a few seconds without any strain. Now exhale completely as your abdomen shrinks. This completes one cycle. Ensure that your breath is smooth and audible throughout the process. Practice this pranayama for a minimum of 10 minutes. If you notice, we did 7 poses in this video: a standing pose, a seated forward bend, back bend, inversion, and a spinal twist. We also did 2 pranayamas. These are some basic yoga poses that circulate blood to all parts of the body, boosting your immunity. This routine can be done preferably in the morning. Yoga is a powerful practice to lower stress, remove toxins, and strengthen the overall body. Make it a habit to practice yoga regularly. Let us understand some factors that influence our immune system. Number 1, adequate sleep. We should get a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of sound sleep every day. Number 2, proper nutrition. Number 3, meditation and pranayama. This will help to combat stress. Last but not the least, your thinking, your thoughts and your relationships. This has profound impact on the working of your immune system. I hope this video was useful and informative as well. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.